Hello everyone, and welcome to The Healthy Tablespoon. Holistic living is a lifestyle approach that seeks to balance and harmonize all aspects of life, including physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, and environmental aspects. It's a way of living that prioritizes health and well-being, considering the interconnections between all aspects of life and recognizing that everything is connected. The goal of holistic living is to create a sense of balance and harmony within oneself and the world, leading to a more fulfilling and meaningful life. For beginners, holistic living can seem overwhelming and confusing, but with a little guidance and some simple practices, it can be easily integrated into your daily life. Before we dive deeper into holistic living for beginners, check out the link in the description for one of my recommendations for the best brainwave guided meditations on the market. Click the link in the description to experience stress relief, a creativity boost, a tranquil atmosphere in your home, or simply to enjoy deep relaxation. Now, here are some tips to help you get started with holistic living. Get to know yourself. The first step in holistic living is to get to know yourself. This means taking the time to reflect on your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, and considering what makes you feel happy, fulfilled, and at peace. It's important to understand your values, beliefs, and priorities so that you can make choices that align with them. Ask yourself questions like, what are my passions and interests? What do I value most in life? What makes me feel happiest and most fulfilled? Embrace mindfulness. Mindfulness is a core practice of holistic living. It's practice of being present in the moment, observing your thoughts and emotions without judgment, and focusing on your breath. Mindfulness helps to reduce stress and anxiety, improves mental clarity and focus, and enhances emotional well-being. Start by setting aside a few minutes each day to simply be still, breathe deeply, and focus on the present moment. You can also incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine by focusing on your breath while you're doing these tasks, like washing dishes or taking a walk. Take care of your physical health. Physical health is a crucial component to holistic living. Eating a balanced diet, getting regular exercise, getting enough sleep is essential for maintaining good physical health. In addition to these basic practices, you can also consider incorporating complementary therapies into your routine, such as acupuncture, massage, or yoga. These practices can help to improve your overall physical health, reduce stress, and enhance your emotional well-being. Cultivate positive relationships. Having positive and supportive relationships is essential for holistic living. Spend time with people who bring out the best in you and make you feel happy and supported. Surround yourself with positive and uplifting people who share your values and interests, and make an effort to connect with others in meaningful ways. In addition, consider seeking out relationships that can help you grow and learn, such as mentor or coach. Connect with nature. Nature has a powerful effect on our well-being, and connecting with it is an important aspect of holistic living. Spending time in nature has been shown to reduce stress, improve mental clarity and focus, and enhance emotional well-being. Consider spending time in nature each day, whether it's simply taking a walk in a local park or engaging in outdoor activities like hiking or gardening. Maintaining balance and harmony in your life. It's about taking care of yourself, both physically and emotionally. This includes things like eating well, getting enough sleep, exercising, and engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. It's about setting boundaries and making time for yourself, even when it feels difficult or self-indulgent. This can include things like taking a bath, reading a book, or simply taking a few moments to meditate or relax. Embrace a growth mindset. Having a growth mindset is a key aspect of holistic living. This means being open to learning and growth, and embracing changes as opportunities to grow and evolve. It's about seeing setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning, and embracing change as a natural part of life. When you approach life with a growth mindset, you're able to see challenges as opportunities for growth and are more likely to persevere through difficult times. Cultivate gratitude. Gratitude is an important aspect of holistic living, and it involves focusing on the positive things in your life and giving thanks for them. Practicing gratitude can help to reduce stress, improve your emotional well-being, and increase your overall sense of happiness and fulfillment. Try starting each day by writing down 3 things you're grateful for, or simply taking a few moments each day to reflect on the things in your life that you're thankful for. Connect your spiritual side. Connecting with your spiritual side is an important aspect of holistic living. This can mean different things to different people, but it generally involves finding a sense of purpose and meaning in life and connecting with something greater than yourself. This can include practices like meditation, prayer, or simply spending time in nature. It's about finding a sense of connection and purpose and exploring your beliefs and values. Embrace change. Before we get deeper into embracing change, check out the link in the description for one of my recommendations for the best brainwave guided meditations on the market. Click the link in the description to experience stress relief, a creativity boost, a tranquil atmosphere in your home, or simply to enjoy deep relaxation. Now, let's get into embracing change. Change is a natural part of life, and embracing it is an important aspect of holistic living. This means being open to new experiences and new ways of thinking and being willing to try new things. It also means being flexible and adapting to change when it occurs rather than resisting it. Embracing change is about being open to new possibilities and being willing to grow and evolve. Holistic living is often contrasted with Western medicine, which tends to focus on treating specific symptoms or diseases rather than the person as a whole. Holistic living seeks to prevent illness and maintain wellness through a holistic approach that considers the individual's physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. In this way, holistic living is not just about taking care of one's health, but also about finding joy, peace, and meaning in life. In conclusion, holistic living is about embracing balance and harmony in all aspects of your life. It's about taking care of yourself, connecting with others, and connecting with nature. It's about embracing change, having a growth mindset, and finding joy, peace, and meaning in life. With these simple steps, you can begin your journey towards a holistic living and start experiencing the benefits of a more fulfilling and meaningful life. In addition, if you want to advance in life, don't forget to show us some love by hitting the like and subscribe icons. And with that said, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.